Hi everybody, my name is Adrian Perez, and I'm the craft specialist and the craft manager for LNF Distributors here in El Paso. And today we're going to talk a little bit about why it's important to do a proper pour on beer. As you well know, and you see some other videos, beer is a great palate cleanser, and it's also a great alternative to wine, champagne, and some other non-alcoholic drinks. So basically, we want to show you how to pour a beer. For example, here we have our Bass Pale Ale. We always try to hold the glass from the bottom, so you won't have any fingerprints for presentation. And also the beer should never touch the glass. Always have a beer-ready glass. That means have it washed, rinsed, and sanitized, and air-dried. Okay, so you go to some of the restaurants that actually touch the bottle to the glass, and they pour it real slow. First of all, it takes forever. And you'll see some consumers that rather have their beer with no foam, no head. They think more liquid is the more liquid the better. And you have something like that. When you pour a beer like that, you're missing a whole lot of the actual beer. For example, all the carbonation is compressed on the bottom of the glass and nothing on top. Everything you taste, 75% comes through your nose. So you're missing all the aroma, all the head formation on there. Kind of looks like iced tea, right? So now we do it the nice and proper way. Again, the bottle never touching the glass, 45-degree angle. Let the beer pop in. Control the bottle. Put it straight up, and you see the head forming on top of the beer, real nice and pretty. Look at that, right? There you go. So let's say that this is your stomach, and every time you go eat, you have a beer that's like this with all the CO2 inside the glass, and this one was properly released. And let's say this is your stomach. So when you eat, and your food goes into your stomach with all the gas properly released, it settles in there because all the gas is already out of on top of the glass. You pick up the aroma, and everything's there. As opposed to a glass that has all the CO2 compressed into it. That's what happens. So you eat, and then basically you get full of gas. All this gets compacted right here. So you eat less, you drink less, you pay all this money for your meal and your beer, and this is what happens. So this is why it's important to pour the beer properly. Better taste, better presentation, more beer, and more food. Thanks, guys.